Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Academy Nexus. My name is Mark.
And my name is Sarah. Hello, everybody.
We are so happy to have you here today.
Yes, we are. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today, we have a very exciting topic.
It is one of my favorite topics.
Today, we are talking about traveling.
Traveling. I love traveling.
I love traveling too, Sarah, but traveling can be difficult if you do not speak the language,
That is true. It can be scary.
especially at the airport or at the hotel.
Yes, there are so many people, and everyone speaks fast.
Exactly. So today, we will help you. We will teach you simple phrases for the airport and the hotel,
These are phrases you can use on your next vacation.
or your next business trip.
Perfect. Mark, before we start, should we ask our listeners something?
Yes, good idea. If you like this podcast, please subscribe to our channel.
And please like this video. It helps us help more students like you.
Thank you so much. Okay, Sarah, let's imagine a situation.
Okay, I am imagining.
You are at the airport. You just arrived.
Okay, I have my bags.
You go to the check-in desk.
What do I say first?
First, you just say hello. A simple greeting is always best.
Like good morning or good afternoon?
Exactly. You say, "Good morning. I would like to check in, please."
Okay, let me try. Good morning. I would like to check in, please.
Perfect. The person at the desk will ask for your documents,
My documents. You mean my ticket?
your ticket, and your passport.
Okay, what will they say?
They will usually say, "Can I see your passport and ticket, please?"
That sounds polite.
It is. Or sometimes they just say, "Passport and ticket, please."
Okay, and what do I answer?
You give them the documents and say, "Here you go."
Here you go. I use that phrase a lot.
It is a very useful phrase. Here you go.
Okay, so I give them my passport. What happens next?
They will ask about your bags.
My luggage?
Yes, luggage and bags are the same thing.
Okay, what is the question?
They will ask, "Are you checking any bags?"
Are you checking any bags? What does that mean?
It means, do you have big bags to put on the airplane?
Ah, the big suitcases, not my small bag.
Correct. Your small bag is called a carry-on.
A carry-on, okay.
So, if you have one big suitcase, you say, "Yes, I have one suitcase."
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Then you put it on the scale.
What if I do not have a big bag?
Then you say, "No, just a carry-on."
No, just a carry-on. That is easy.
It is very easy. Let's practice this short conversation. I am the worker, you are the traveler.
Okay, I am ready.
Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Okay, please put it on the scale.
Okay,
See? Very simple.
that was not scary at all.
No, it is not scary. You just need to listen for the key words.
Words like passport, ticket, and bags.
Exactly. Now, Sarah, let's go to the next part.
What is the next part?
Security.
Oh, security. I do not like security.
Why not?
I have to take off my shoes. I have to take out my laptop. It is stressful.
It is stressful for everyone, but the English is simple.
What do they say at security?
They usually give orders. They say, "Please empty your pockets."
Empty your pockets. That means take everything out.
Yes, keys, phone, wallet.
Okay, what else?
They might say, "Laptop out of the bag, please."
Laptop out of the bag. Okay.
And often, "Shoes off, please."
Shoes off. I understand that.
You don't need to speak much here. You just need to listen and do.
Do I say anything?
Maybe you have a question. Maybe you have a bottle of water.
Can I take water?
No, usually you cannot. You can ask, "Is this okay?"
Is this okay? That is a good question for everything.
Yes, if you are not sure, show the item and ask, "Is this okay?"
and they will say yes or no.
Exactly.
Okay, so we finished security. Now we're inside the airport.
Yes, now you need to find your gate.
The gate, that's where the airplane is?
Yes, you look at your boarding pass.
My boarding pass, that's the paper they gave me at check-in.
Correct. It has a number on it, like A4 or B12.
Okay, but airports are big. What if I cannot find gate B12?
You need to ask someone.
Who do I ask?
You can ask an airport worker or anyone who looks friendly.
What is the question?
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Or you can say, which way is gate B12?
Which way is gate B12?
Which way asks for the direction, left, right, or straight.
Okay, and what will they answer?
They might say, go straight and turn left.
Go straight and turn left.
Or it is on the right side.
It is on the right side.
Let's practice asking for directions.
Okay,
Ask me where the bathroom is. This is important.
very important. Excuse me, Mark, where is the bathroom?
It is right over there, next to the coffee shop.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See? Where is the is a magic phrase.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the gate? Where is the coffee shop?
You can use it for anything.
Okay, so I found my gate, I get on the plane, I fly to my destination.
You arrive. Now you are in a new country.
Yay, vacation time.
Almost. You have one more stop at the airport.
Oh no, what is it?
Immigration or passport control.
Ah, yes, the police officers.
They are serious, but you do not need to be afraid.
What do they ask?
They almost always ask the same two questions.
What is the first question?
The purpose of your visit.
The purpose of my visit. That sounds difficult.
It sounds formal. It just means, why are you here?
Why am I here? Okay, what do I answer?
Usually you say tourism or vacation.
Vacation. I like that word.
Or maybe business if you are there for work.
But mostly vacation.
Yes, so let's practice. What is the purpose of your visit?
Vacation?
Good. Or you can say, I'm here on holiday.
I'm here on holiday.
What is the second question?
Yes, what is the second question?
How long are you staying?
How long are you staying?
This means how many days will you be here?
Ah, easy. I answer with the number of days.
Yes, you can say 1 week.
1 week.
Or 10 days.
10 days.
Or just a few days.
Just a few days.
Let's practice immigration. I am the officer. I will be serious.
Okay, I will be calm.
Good. Good morning. Passport, please.
Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Vacation?
How long are you staying?
2 weeks.
Where are you staying?
Oh, that's a new question.
Yes, sometimes they ask that. Where are you staying?
I tell them the hotel name?
Yes, you can say at the Hilton Hotel.
At the Hilton Hotel. Okay.
Let's finish the role play. Where are you staying?
At the Hilton Hotel.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
You did it. You are officially on vacation.
That feels good. Now I need to go to the hotel.
Yes, let's talk about the hotel.
Okay. I take a taxi to the hotel. I walk to the front desk.
This is called check-in, just like at the airport.
Okay. I smile and say hello.
Yes. Hello. I would like to check in, please.
Hello. I would like to check in, please.
Or you can say, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation. That means I booked the room before.
Yes, I have a reservation.
What will the receptionist ask?
They will ask for your name. What is the name?
I say my name. My name is Sarah.
They will look on the computer, then they might ask for your ID.
My passport again?
Yes, always keep your passport ready.
Okay. I give them my passport.
Then they might give you a form to sign.
A paper to write my name?
Yes, They say, please sign here.
Please sign here. Okay, I sign my name.
Then they give you the key.
The key to my room.
They will say, here is your key. You are in room 304.
Room 304.
They might tell you about breakfast.
I love breakfast. What do they say?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10. That means I can eat between those times.
Yes, don't be late.
I will not be late.
Sometimes you need to ask questions at the hotel.
Yes, what are some good questions?
Maybe you want to use the internet.
Oh, yes, very important. How do I ask?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It's a simple question, but very necessary.
Yes, what is the Wi-Fi password?
Maybe you want to know about the gym or the pool.
Where is the pool?
Exactly. Use the where is phrase again.
Where is the gym? Where is the restaurant?
You remember perfectly.
What if I have a problem in my room?
What kind of problem?
Maybe the room is too cold.
You can call the front desk.
And say what?
Excuse me, my room is too cold.
Excuse me, my room is too cold.
Or maybe something is broken. The TV is not working.
The TV is not working.
The light is not working.
The light is not working.
Or maybe you need something extra.
Like more towels?
Yes, you can say, can I have extra towels, please?
Can I have extra towels, please?
Can I have is a very polite way to ask for things.
Can I have an extra pillow?
Can I have some soap?
Can I have a wake-up call?
Oh, that is a good one. A wake-up call.
That is when the phone rings to wake me up.
Yes, can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.?
Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.?
Perfect.
Mark, what about when I leave the hotel?
That is called check out.
Check out.
Usually, you must check out by 11 a.m. or 12 p.m.
What do I do?
You go to the desk. You give them the key.
And I say,
I would like to check out, please.
I would like to check out, please.
They will ask, how was your stay?
How was your stay? That means, did I like the hotel?
Yes, you can say, it was very good, thank you.
It was very good, thank you.
Or, it was great.
It was great.
Then you pay if you need to pay.
And then I go home.
And then you go home.
Mark, this was very helpful. I feel ready to travel.
I'm glad, Sarah. Let's review the most important phrases from today.
Okay, let's review.
For the airport check-in, I would like to check in.
I would like to check in.
For your bag, I have one suitcase.
I have one suitcase.
For finding things, where is the gate?
Where is the gate?
For immigration, I'm here on vacation.
I'm here on vacation.
And for the hotel, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
And finally, what is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password? That is the most important one.
Listeners, do not worry if you forget some words.
It's okay. People are usually friendly.
Just smile and try your best.
Simple English is enough.
Passport, ticket, please, thank you.
These words are magic.
We want to ask you a question, listeners.
Yes, question time.
Where do you want to travel?
Tell us in the comments. Do you want to go to Paris or Tokyo or New York?
Write your answer below. I want to go to...
I want to read your answers.
Me too. Well, that's all for today's lesson.
Thank you for listening to our conversation.
Remember to subscribe for more English practice.
And share this with your friends who like to travel.
Have a safe trip, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.